I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine red paint. Achieving this elegant color involves a careful blend of primary hues. We will start by gathering our main ingredients: a vibrant red, a deep blue, and a hint of black or brown to add depth. Ensure you have a clean palette and mixing tools ready, as precision is key to crafting your perfect wine red shade. Let's dive into the exciting world of color mixing. To begin, squeeze out a substantial amount of your chosen primary red paint onto your mixing surface. This will serve as the dominant color. Next, carefully add a very small dollop of blue paint. The blue will start to shift your red towards a beautiful maroon or purplish tone. A good starting point is roughly 10 parts red to 1 part blue, but always adjust slowly. Now, to achieve that characteristic deep, rich wine red, introduce a tiny speck of black or dark brown paint. This step is crucial for adding complexity and depth, moving beyond a simple maroon. Mix your paints thoroughly after each minuscule addition, observing how the color transforms. Keep adding in very small increments until you reach your desired luxurious, dark wine red shade. Before applying your beautiful wine red paint, always test a small amount on a scrap piece of material. This allows you to see the true color and make any final adjustments. If it's too purple, add more red. If it's not deep enough, add a tiny bit more black. Finally, ensure your paint is mixed to a smooth, consistent texture, ready for flawless application on your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.